This is the demo of the shell catcher made by LPG Works for the Stoeger M3000 and M3500. On this particular gun, the shell catcher is installed over the ejection port and then over the loading port. There is a pin here that the shell catcher has a pin on where it lines up. To install this, make sure the bolt is locked to the rear. You want to put this over the ejection port and it just snaps in place right over the pin, so then it doesn't go anywhere. And to load it, you want to drop the brass end first into the gun. And I will do a 3-shot demo for you to see. Now, depending on the load that you have, it may or may not lock the bolt back on the 3500 as you just saw. The second one did, so I think it really comes down to the load in your gun. But essentially what happens is that it gets caught like this, and then you want to go ahead and remove it out the front. And to remove the shell catcher, you simply lift off the loading port bottom and it comes right off. These are now available on lpgworks.com, and thank you for watching.